Hi everybody, today is April 4th, 2014. David Marsh here, and this is the 6E EuroFX trader. Now today we have reports at 8:30, so you'll see I've got entry turned off. So I'm going to wait for these reports to come out, and if there's any reaction to the news, let it calm down before I turn the strategy on. And on average, a couple minutes, 1 minute, 2 minutes, sometimes especially with the euro, you may see a longer reaction to news. And what I do is I just look at the bars before and say, okay, is it like it was before the report? And the answer is no, then I just hold off. So we'll try to catch the report here live if we can. It's well, yeah, we only got about 10 seconds or so. So I'm just looking at it, seeing if we get any reaction to the news, and we'll just kind of take it from there. And so you can see there's very low volume up on the dome. Very few trades, and that's part of the reason you sometimes see a big reaction. Is there's no one out there with order. Oh, there we go. So now, do we want to place a trade like this? There's a trade right there. I'm not going to take that. Just going to let this calm down. That was a huge spike, and we'll just let this sit. So again, now I ask myself, has it slowed down since before the news? And well, the answer is clearly no. So I'm just going to wait, and we'll give it a minute or two, and then we'll probably jump back in the game here. So again, we don't start, and when there's reports at 8:30, the way we do it, it doesn't. You don't have to do it this way, but we wait. We don't start until after the 8:30 report. So you can see there was a trade. Well, it's probably just before the opening bell, anyways, about 8:18. We would have taken that anyway. So on the days of reports at 8:30, we start after the 8:30 report, after things have calmed down. So here it is, just about 8:31. It's still kind of volatile, so I'm just going to hold off. And I don't know how long this is going to last for, so I'm going to go ahead and pause the video, and we'll come back here hopefully within the next minute or two. I just don't want to waste too much time on the video. All right, I'm back. It's really slowed down here. It's just about 8:32, and it's really slowed down. And I'm going to go ahead and turn the strategy on. I feel comfortable at this point. See, it's just what we're trying to avoid. When you trade a report, or just before a report, or just after a report, you're subject to some really big swings. And truth be told, they could work out in your favor. In fact, this one would have worked out in our favor. In fact, I just said I'm not going to take that. It would have been a beautiful trade, but we don't know that going into it, and that that's not the kind of trading we do. All right, and I realize there's other systems out there and other traders for that matter, that like to trade reports, and that's fine. If that's your thing, that there's nothing wrong with that. It's just not my thing. Just you can get a lot of negative slippage in either direction. It's just something I don't do. But now that you can see, it's really slowed down. Now it still looks a little erratic, but prices are moving normal, right? Just up tick, down a couple ticks, nothing too wild. So I'm ready to get back in the game, and that's really how you tell. But generally, it's 1 to 2 minutes. So let's see if we can get a trade here. Hopefully, we'll get one soon. If not, I'll have to pause the video again, and well, actually, we may get one. We're starting to move down here. We may trigger a short trade here. So, in fact, there it is. Beautiful. We're short 13705. Perfect timing. 13705. Got a trigger. We're in, and we'll let this play out. Hopefully, it'll be a quick trade, and then we'll pause, go to our second trade, and take it from there. So, again, now yesterday, April 3rd, we did no trading. Look at that. First contract already off. Second contract already off, and we're just running down our third contract. Look at this, beautiful. Now you see we're trailing down. Man, this market really is starting to pick up. Look at that. So trailing stops. This was our entry. It's going down and down and down. Eventually, we'll get stopped out. And there we go. We just got stopped out. So not bad. We're up 262 bucks on that trade. Not too shabby. But yeah, really quick. Yesterday, April 3rd, we had ECB conferences all day long. So we personally don't trade that. Could really cause the market to get volatile, and we're just not interested in that. So I'm going to pause, and we'll come back when we get our next signal. All right, we're back. We just got our next trade. It's about 5-6 minutes later here. So 13,688 is the long signal. We'll see what we get here. Try to keep this going. We don't know when they're going to get filled. Sometimes you may go 3 or 4 minutes before getting a fill. So, but not this time. So So good. We were able to catch two of them on video today, which is nice. So hopefully this one will be a winner. But remember, it doesn't matter. We look the way we do it. We just take the first two trades and we just let it keep going, right? The cumulative total for me is what matters here. So it doesn't matter if this one loses, doesn't matter if this one wins. It's our second trade. We lock it up for the day. We come back tomorrow, and the long-term results speak for themselves. So this one not looking as good as the other one was, but we'll see what. Well, coming down here a little bit, but again, this is when you don't get discouraged. This is what the EuroFX trader is all about. It takes the emotion out of trading. You let it trade for you. You turn it on. You turn it off, and it's really all you got to do. So we'll just let this out. This trade's turning around pretty nice. But kind of bounce around here. But in any event, when this trade concludes itself by either hitting profit or stop, oh, there we go. We just got our first target. We'll be done for the day. So, and it's only what 8:40 in the morning, so not too shabby. Now, again, some days are quicker than others. We had a report 10 minutes ago, so that brought some action to the market, and we had our first two trades pretty early. So we're off on our second contract. So we're going to definitely take a nice winning home trade home today, two winning trades home today. But some days you may go till 9:30, sometimes 10 o'clock. This market does sometimes get slow. So look at this beautiful trade. Look at this. We entered all the way down here and we're slowly trailing up. See, with no max gain. That's what that zero does. You get no max. Oh, this is beautiful. No max gain, just keeps going up, and tick for tick, we auto trail up. And of course, we teach you all this in the videos, and you can see those on our website. And eventually, it will come down, and there it goes. Eventually, it comes down and stops us. Look at that, $600 today. Gosh, what a beautiful day. So really, that's it. I mean, we're done for the day. We turn it on either at 8:20 or after 8:30 reports, and after we're done, we just click the entry off there, and that's all I have to do. So that's it for today's video. We'll see you again next week.